Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Signing documents directly on your Samsung S23 Ultra brings incredible convenience to your daily routine. This powerful capability saves you significant time, eliminating the hassle of printing, signing, and then scanning everything back in. You can truly embrace a completely paperless workflow, managing all your important files right from your pocket. It makes document handling incredibly efficient, wherever you are. For an authentic and natural signing experience, utilize your S Pen with the amazing Screen Write feature. Simply pull out your S Pen, and a small Air command menu will appear. From there, select Screen Write. This instantly captures your screen, letting you draw your signature directly onto the document, just as if you were using a physical pen. It's incredibly intuitive and feels perfectly natural. You can also open PDF files directly in your S23 Ultra's default viewer to access built-in markup and signature tools. Once the document is open, simply look for a pen or an annotation icon within the viewer's toolbar to activate the drawing mode. From there, you can use either your finger or your S Pen to add your signature, then save your changes easily. It's a straightforward method for quick edits. For more advanced signing capabilities, consider downloading dedicated third-party apps such as Adobe Fill and Sign. These powerful applications often allow you to create and securely store multiple digital signatures for different uses. You can also enjoy a range of extra options, including adding custom text fields, automatic dates, and convenient checkmarks directly to your forms. It really enhances your document interaction. After signing, always take a moment to review the document carefully before you save and share it with anyone. It's also a good practice to rename your signed files clearly, perhaps including signed and the date for easy organization later on. Finally, when sharing your newly signed documents, always choose secure, encrypted methods or trusted platforms whenever possible, ensuring your sensitive information remains protected and private.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.